This video is to show you an idea to use Google Slides for a timeline for your awesome history classes. So I have gone to slides.google.com and I could just choose a blank slide here, or I'm pretty sure inside of the template gallery there are some that are built for timelines. So here's one that says professional profile. Let me open that jazz and see if that's what I'm thinking. So my thought was they could open slides templates like this. They could go ahead and change, this to be their name, the project or timeline that they were working on. They could delete any of these extra slides that they might need. And then something here, this is just one template, I'm sure there's many. They could go ahead and create their timeline. Obviously, this only has 1, 2, 3, 4 points, but they could simply copy this slide and then paste it to the next slide to add their next 4 important points. One thing that I think would be totally amazing, let's say this is the Battle of Culloden, which I think was, off the top of my head, in 1776. But I could maybe put here the location, and I'm not sure where it was. I know it was in Scotland. I obviously would have to research this. And then I could put the date of that battle. What I think would be really awesome, though, is down here, I could talk about the Battle of Culloden. So Battle of Culloden, oops, bear with me here for a sec. I could add images, or as you know, I could insert a video. Let's see here, and I'm going to search for Battle of Culloden and see what pops up just randomly. This is nothing I've worked on before, so I'll just pretend this is fabulous. So I could add a video, I could add descriptions, I could really go in detail about whatever this is on my timeline. Where I'm going with this really cool idea is right here, back on my timeline, so I pop back. If I highlight this and choose hyperlink, so let's see where my hyperlink is, might have to go to more, hyperlink, I could choose to go ahead and link that piece of the timeline to the slide that goes into detail about that event on the timeline. So now when I'm presenting, or even when I'm looking, I could click here and it would take me to more information about that timeline piece. So my suggestion for you for timeline in your middle school is to just use Google Slides and make it really interactive and in-depth versus using maybe one of these tools where the kids have to create an account. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if I can come in. Thank you for the question.